Hey everyone, welcome back. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Hope you had a great weekend. Obviously, a lot of chaos in the media out there right now, making everyone nervous. And I have some charts I'll show you guys in a bit that can give you a little guidance, and it's good to be aware of. So first, I'll get into Tesla and kind of the daily action, right? So the day range 853 to 898.88. And the 52-week range, look at this. It's actually insane. 539 to 1243. So you can see today, I have a little line drawn out here near the golden pocket, right? So as you can see, we have been rejecting this line. And I'm not so much sure that this is to do with like Tesla news, more so just the overall market, right? You can see the NASDAQ up 10% today. We beat the NASDAQ handily, us and NVIDIA. It seems like Tesla and NVIDIA like to kind of follow each other. But yeah, you can see we rejected it actually twice, and we came down. We finished again up 183, and I mean percentage-wise there. So if we go out to the daily, I'll go back to this. Okay, yeah, so you can see this blue line I have extended out here. It's from the previous top, right? So that rally we had back in January 2021. And you can see, if we come in here, there's a ton of price action here. It's actually almost where the start of that leap up was, and then you can see we closed the gap back down. But that is this line here, near the golden pocket, there's a lot of price action near that, right? And if you see, we rejected it. So in my opinion, if we can break above that and hopefully the market starts turning around this week leading into next, there's been so much negativity just pounding tech, pounding the markets overall. And in these moments, it's like you can look at them as great buying opportunities, or you can look at it as you can like hop on the fear bandwagon and join everyone and think the entire market's going down 80%. I mean, at the end of the day, you do your own research, do the calculations, look at the charts you want to look at, and make the make your choice on your own, right? Like, don't rely on anyone else on YouTube. All I can say is what I'm going to be doing, and I've been pretty blunt about it. I've been buying dips, right? I personally don't think this is the end. Can we go down more? Sure, but that's buying opportunities, right? One thing to be very cautious of is this 200-day MA, right? Anytime we get near it, we've respected it. Like here, we respected it. So could we come back down and touch that 200-day MA? Sure. But could you see it as more of a buying opportunity? I think so. But yeah, this previous high, like I've said in other videos, acts like a nice support level, right? And right now, it's acting like a rejection spot. So like I said the other day, this golden pocket area, the yellow and the green 65 and 618 retracement levels, those are areas I would love to see Tesla break out of. And that's when I'll feel a lot more happy with the positions that I've built. So in this year, obviously, I bought a ton of shares back in 2019, right? So these new shares I've bought around like the $855 per share level. But if you look, I'm just going to delete this. If you look, the price was at what? Like 1240 range down to where we are now. Let's say you're buying here. That's that you're 30% from the top, right? So you're getting a 30% discount on where Tesla was. Even down to this number here, that's a 36% gain if you're buying at that bottom there. So who knows? Just the market could go anywhere, but if you're looking at like the PEs of these big boys in the tech sector right now, I mean, they're just pounded down. So, and you see the fear, like the fear out there is huge. In my opinion, I like buying the dips. People in the comments are going either way. Some are buying, some are saying that's insane. How can you be possibly buying? But I mean, so far it's worked out in the long run. So if you had been buying the dip here, I'm sure a lot of people would be saying you're crazy, but look at where Tesla's gone up to, right? So the charts I wanted to show everyone, it's very important because a lot of people like the 10 and 2-year yield. You can see whenever the 10 and 2 years converge, usually a recession or a crash happens after, right? So you can see around here, it's like the 2007. They're converging for a while, actually. It started in 2006, and the crash didn't come till 2007. So right now, they're getting close. If we actually go to the 1 year, they're getting close. They haven't yet, but it's something to definitely be aware of. And then also, if we go, this is a very, the Greg Manarino talks about this actually a lot. And this is a good chart to look at, right? Because everyone's so worried about interest rate hikes. But if you see, anytime the Fed raises interest rates, it actually causes the market to rally, right? And when they reduce interest rates, and when they reduce rates, you can actually see we have a pullback, right? So they're raising rates from here, like 2000 whatever, after the .com pullback, right? They start raising rates, or they're like flat in 2003, and they're raising them until 2007. Then we have that pullback. And then we come here, they're like flat. The market's just rallying, and they raise rates, and it rips. And then we have the pullback in the 2020 crash when they pull rates down. So right now rates are flat. So if they start raising rates, it could be a bullish sign. Now all of this is just speculation and looking at charts, and make of it what you will. It's just interesting to take a look at that. And you can see here the RSI now is pointing up. It's at that like 40-ish level. So if it gets down a little bit more, that'll be. I like when it gets down to that oversold area, because then we get that pull back up, right? So, in my opinion, let me just take a look at the NASDAQ actually right now. So yeah, we rejected the sorry, I'm burping. It's the 20-day MA here. So I really do like where we're supporting. Let's see the support level. We bounced off of it, and I would like to see the NASDAQ start. We made a lower or a higher low, which is a good sign, right? You can see if we can kind of follow this and start our move back up, that would be good. Obviously, this Russia-Ukraine thing, it's out there. I don't think that that's going to cause the market to crash. If it does drop lower, I see that as even more of a buying opportunity right now. So, obviously, guys, like I said, do your own research. But at this point, I'm liking what I'm seeing. But I'm buying the dips. If I see something else, I'm following a ton of information. If I see something else, I'll let you guys know. And, yeah, so that's pretty much it. I mean, yeah, Tesla's just kind of moving sideways, right? We're just kind of creating that wedge, and we're waiting to see what's going to happen. I want to see it break to the upside. But this is a patient man's game. You're not going to become a multimillionaire in 1 month, right? So I'm all about buying and holding unless something absolutely drastic happens where I go, holy shit, this could cause an entire market collapse. Then that's when I start to take a second look at things. As of right now, I'm not seeing that, so I'm buying the dips. And thanks for watching, guys. Let's make some fat stack. Oh, before I do that, actually, I'll just show you the this. So just so you guys know, someone was commenting on my video basically saying, like, how are you going to make fat stacks with the 9 shares? Well, this is just the stuff I bought this year so far. So we're February 14th. I've put 17,000 in. So I'm down $99. But these are just the positions I've made this year so far. So, yeah, I'm up 2.9% on my TECL position. I'm up 1.5% on my Tesla, and my Ethereum ETF is down. Actually, the most, kind of dragging the portfolio down right now. But I'm still, guys, I'm super excited about where this is going to finish this year. So that's where I wanted to end it. And guys, please like and subscribe to the channel.